Hello everyone. The list of the top 120 UB Constable candidate of the Garo category. In the last video, I have finished till 50 serial number, score of total 234. So in this video, I will give till 120. This serial number 51 I have missed in the last video. It should be in the number 39 that I have missed. Right, Sanderik CH Marak, he scored a total of 236. And then 52 Hanshi Momen 232, Silseng Shira 232, Marchfield Dendibot K Sangma 232, Matgrik Sangma 232, Pentosh T Sangma 232, Banseng E Sangma 230, Vitnar E Sangma 230, Wanseng M Marak 230, Olington Marak 230, Savio Nigrang R Sangma 230, Nikjeng M Marak 230, Krister CH Marak 230, Tina Momin 230, Namsrang N Sangma 230, Mandela B Marak 230, Nosramchi CH Marak 230, Pitu Sangma 230, Jaswin M Sangma 228, Amsrang M Marak 228, Segi Pangkam N Sangma 228, Hulanti Marak 228, Sengnu Marak 228, Grace Darlin M Sangma 228, Dukar Shira 226, Lunstar Marak 226, Balo A Sangma 226, Siling Sil D Marak 226, Bapi R Marak 226, Simon N Marak 226, Mana S Marak 226, Kindia Cheng Marak 226, Sanjay R Marak 226, Batsrang E Sangma 224, Riksrang M Marak 224, Chuang S Marak 224, Max Mile D Shira 224, Chebat K Marak 224, Preston G Momen 224, Sengba Rangsa Marak 224, Rikchi Momen 224, Salbina R Marak 224, Trilling L Sangma 222, Michael Chanchi and Sangma 222, Tengsrang R Marak 222, Donald Sangma 222, Hambert Sangma 222, Malsek R M Marak 222, Sengrik Sangma 222, Jobs CH Marak 222, Tasrang Deshira 222, Sangkil G Momen 222, Damini D Sangma 222, Nixrang Sangma 222, Pangjarang T Sangma 222, Jinstar C Marak 222, Riksrang Morong Marak 222, Monilaj CH Momen 222, Nerisha T Sangma 222, and 120 is Troy S Sangma 222, the total score. So women, I have 18 of them till top 120, 18 women. Top 200 I will release in the next video. So if I have any mistake or I have missed out the name and the total, so you just comment in the comment box and I will correct it in the next video. Thank you.